Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you all the details you need for your next big purchase. Today, we're looking at the Eureka NEC180 RapidClean Pro cordless stick and handheld vacuum cleaner, with promises of powerful suction, 40 minutes of runtime, and some user-friendly features. This vacuum aims to deliver a smooth, efficient cleaning experience. But does it really stack up? Let's take a closer look. The Eureka NEC180 RapidClean Pro is a versatile cordless vacuum designed for both hard floors and light carpet cleaning. It's powered by the latest motor technology, offering strong suction in a compact, portable design. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its fade-free runtime. With up to 40 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge, you won't have to stop midway through cleaning, whether you're working through a few rooms or just tidying up a smaller area. Of course, the runtime varies depending on the mode you use. More on that in a second. The vacuum is lightweight, making it easy to carry around and maneuver. It's designed with a unique feature, a specially designed easy rest nook that allows you to safely prop the vacuum up on countertops and furniture. A thoughtful touch that makes taking short breaks during your cleaning a breeze. This vacuum also comes with LED headlights, a great addition to help you spot those sneaky dust bunnies and debris under furniture or in dimly lit corners. It's an easy feature to overlook, but it does make a noticeable difference in cleaning efficiency. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Eureka NEC180 does an excellent job on hard floors. The 8-inch cleaning path allows it to cover a decent amount of ground, while the powerful suction ensures that dust and dirt are picked up effectively. The vacuum is particularly handy for quick, everyday cleaning. The under-furniture reach is also impressive. By moving the dust cup to the front, Eureka has made sure that the vacuum lays completely flat, which allows it to get under low-clearance furniture with ease. This is something that's often overlooked by other vacuums, but is a game-changer for those trying to clean beneath beds or sofas. Now let's talk about the modes. The RapidClean Pro offers two power modes, a regular setting for everyday cleaning and a max power mode for more intense cleaning jobs, like tackling rugs or thicker carpets. The max power mode is controlled right at your fingertips, making it easy to switch when you need an extra boost. The foam filtration does a good job of capturing dust and allergens, but it's not a HEPA filter, so it might not be ideal for people with severe allergies. In real-world use, the Eureka RapidClean Pro delivers solid performance on both hard floors and light carpeting. During our testing, it handled fine dust and crumbs effortlessly, and on carpets, it did a decent job with embedded dirt, although it's not as powerful as some high-end models meant for heavy-duty carpet cleaning. The suction in max mode is noticeably stronger, but you may experience a slight drop in battery life when using it continuously at full power. For smaller homes or quick touch-ups, this vacuum is an absolute time saver. It's easy to assemble, and the handheld function is especially useful for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and even your car interiors. However, it's not perfect. The 8-inch cleaning path might feel a bit narrow for larger spaces, and though it's lightweight, some might find it slightly cumbersome when holding it for longer sessions, especially in handheld mode. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the suction is solid for both hard floors and light carpet cleaning, especially given the price. The 40-minute runtime on regular mode is more than enough for most cleaning tasks, and the under-furniture reach is definitely a highlight. The Easy Rest Nook and LED headlights are thoughtful features that make using this vacuum a more pleasant experience. On the flip side, there are a few things to consider. The 8-inch cleaning path can be a bit limiting for larger areas, and while it performs well on carpets, it's not quite as effective as higher-end models for deep cleaning thicker rugs. The foam filtration is fine, but it won't be sufficient for allergy sufferers looking for top-tier allergen control. Also, the build quality feels lightweight, which is great for maneuverability, but may not give the impression of durability over the long haul. When it comes to value for money, the Eureka NEC180 RapidClean Pro offers good performance for its price. It doesn't have the highest suction power or the most advanced filtration system, but it gets the job done for hard floors and light carpet cleaning, which is exactly what it's designed for. Compared to other cordless vacuums in this price range, it holds its own, especially with its additional features like LED lights and easy storage options. For those who need a vacuum for small to medium-sized homes or quick cleanups, this is a great option. If you're considering alternatives, there are some vacuums worth mentioning. The Shark Ion Flex 2X, for example, offers a similar cordless design but with more power for carpet cleaning. It also has a more flexible wand for better maneuverability. The Bissell Icon Pet cordless vacuum is another strong contender, particularly if you're dealing with pet hair, as it comes with specialized tools for that purpose. Both of these vacuums have longer cleaning paths and stronger suction, but come at a higher price point. In terms of build quality and maintenance, the Eureka RapidClean Pro feels lightweight, but it doesn't feel fragile. The materials are solid enough for regular home use, though long-term durability might not match up to more expensive models. The filter is easy to clean, but you'll need to replace it periodically to maintain peak performance. The dust cup is also relatively easy to empty, though you might find yourself doing it more often than with larger capacity models. Customer support, from what we've seen, is generally responsive. Eureka has a solid reputation for addressing issues promptly, although this model doesn't seem to have had major complaints regarding durability. Finally, if you're looking for a vacuum that can tackle hard floors, light carpets, and quick cleanups without breaking the bank, the Eureka NEC180 RapidClean Pro could be a great choice. It's an easy-to-use, versatile vacuum that handles everyday messes well. However, if you're looking for something that can tackle thicker carpets or offer more advanced filtration, you might want to consider other options in a higher price range. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the Eureka NEC180, you can find the link to purchase in the comments box below. Let us know what you think of this vacuum in the comments, and feel free to share your experiences. If you liked this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another review. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your home fresh, and we'll see you on the next episode of Reviews Inside TV.